first thing that we do is we use Bloomfilter to understand how are we progressing on key strategic initiatives within the business. What are we building? When are we going to get it? And how much does it cost? So what our customers do here is they create initiatives. We've got a name, a description, a start date, and end date. Business value, it could be 1 through 10, or it could be dollars and cents. And we map this to various epics that exist within the project management system like Jira. We can now see how the scope of this initiative is changing over time. We can see here that the scope of this has grown quite a bit over the months. And we can see how we're tracking towards completion with our tasks. Anything within Bloomfilter, we can look at tasks or we can look at points. And we can always click on any element of data to understand all of the atomic units that make it up. Or we could click all the way through to Jira if we wanted to in order to get all the way down to the details. So if I go back to my initiative, again, you can see how the scope of the initiative is changing. You can see how we're working to complete the initiative. You can see the various different epics and the component parts that comprise the initiative. Here's the 4 of them and how work is happening month by month in order to get that done. And then we can see the focus of our teams. And this really helps us answer the question, are our teams spending the time and energy on the initiative that we want them to? I can't tell you how many times we have customers that we show this to, and the C-level executive says, I know my team is completely committed to getting this initiative done. It's a critical priority. And then we look at it and we say, well, actually, they're not spending quite as much time on it as you might think. So this helps monitor and observe that focus.